Anda, a small town on the island of Bohol in the Philippines, nestled down in the southeast corner. It's going to be a pretty simple video today. We're just going to show you around. We're already by the beach. Hopefully Febby's going to send the drone up in the air. Let's go. You do have to pay a fee to come onto the beach. It's only 10 pesos. It's an environmental fee. I guess it just helps them look after it, which is fair enough, and it's basically just a few pence. It has just got a little breezy, so if there is wind noise, apologies for that. I have left the microphone inside. We're going to have a walk down now towards the sea, which is about a mile away at the minute. Let's go. Now the sea here is ridiculously shallow. We must have walked, I'm not very good at estimating distances, but maybe 200-300 meters from the shore yesterday out to sea, and it was basically still just knee deep, so probably not the best place to swim. Hopefully we've got something planned later. I say hopefully, a lot has gone wrong recently on this channel. Hopefully we've got somewhere to swim later. There is lots of locals out on the beach this morning digging for something. I think it's either like limpets, like little burrowing things under the sand, or possibly crabs, or a bit of everything, to be honest, to chuck in the pot later. Okay, before we go and find somewhere to swim, we're going to go and get some lunch. Now, I know vegan burgers aren't everyone's cup of tea. Back in England, they're normally made out of soy or something. What do you think they're made out of on the island here? Coconut? You guess right. Let's go and find out. We're off to Coco Loco. Okay, before we go swimming, we were going to show you a locally made coconut vegetarian burger. But as always, fate has conspired against us. Nothing is ever easy. We're making a video for this channel. The restaurant is closed. I did try it yesterday and it was very good. Febby was going to have it today and I was going to have something else. Adapt and overcome, or whatever. We'll grab something to eat quick and then we'll head off swimming. Okay, about 10 minutes down the road, we've arrived at this cave pool, which is surprisingly very busy. There's more people here than there is in the town. Let's go and have a look. Geologically, it's pretty interesting, isn't it? Some of this stuff hanging down behind me, it's kind of got like a gold sheen to it. I'm not 100% sure that's natural. I think someone might have sprayed it at some point. I'm almost certain someone sprayed it. Now I'm up close. Okay, that was a lot of fun. If you are coming to Anda, I would say 100% you need to get down there and have a look at it. It did look busy when we arrived, but there's plenty of space down there once you get down there. Big thumbs up, a couple more things to see in town now. Let's go. Okay, we're back in town now. Washed and refreshed, sort of. I was just going to mention the chickens back there. There's quite a lot of them around, and they're quite big old beefy boys. And I don't think they're destined for the barbecue, not yet anyway. I think they're meant for cockfights. They're literally going to chuck them into a pit and have them fight to the death against each other. Maybe they go on the barbecue after that. On the subject of animals, we've driven about 20 minutes down the road in a tuk-tuk to Gindelman, have I said that correctly? Gindelman, to see the fruit bats, flying foxes. I have no concept of how big these guys are going to be, so let's see what we can see. Okay, well it turns out I can see them very well. Hopefully the camera can too. I'm going to shoot it in 4K and zoom in a bit. Hopefully we don't get guano dropping on us. This isn't Ace Ventura. We are kind of in someone's back garden here. It's kind of half jungle, half in the town. It's a bit weird. There is absolutely hundreds of these flying fox things though. Okay, fingers crossed the footage comes out well, because they're pretty cute little things and there's a lot more of them than I expected. We're going to be played out to the sound of this cathedral or church now, whatever it is, head back to Anda, and we got one more thing to visit before we head off tomorrow. Back to the tuk-tuk. We are back in Anda with some dancing accompaniment going on behind us. One last thing to show you. It's kind of late, so I don't know how busy it's going to be. There's a little food park just on the edge of the beach. Quite a nice selection there. In we head. Febby's really far behind me. I was expecting her to walk past then. There we go. That was the shot I was waiting for. In we go. Pretty chilled here. It's not very busy tonight. There's a nice breeze. Febby's got some Filipino dessert. Hello. It's like ice cream and cornflakes and jelly. It's about as weird as it sounds. That's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel adventures, and I will see you next time somewhere else.